In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Microsoft Word 365. Changing the font color in your Word document is a simple yet effective way to make your text stand out or to convey a specific tone or emotion. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Microsoft Word website, specifically the Microsoft 365 section. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Microsoft Word 365 in your search engine. Once you're on the page, make sure to sign in using your personal or work account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, as this determines the access to your documents. After logging in, navigate to the option that allows you to create a blank document. This can usually be found on your dashboard or under New Document options. By choosing this, a fresh, clean document will open up for you to start typing. With your blank document open, go ahead and type in the text that you want to work with. This could be anything from a paragraph of your report, a heading, or even just a sentence or two. Once you've got your text in place, you'll need to highlight the specific portion that you wish to change the color of. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text or by using the Shift and arrow keys. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page where you'll find the Home tab. In this section, look for the Font Color option, typically represented by an icon with the letter A and a color bar underneath it. Clicking on this icon will open up a palette of colors for you to choose from. And finally, here comes the fun part, choosing your desired color. Simply scroll through the available colors and click on the one that best fits your intention for using color in your document. Once you've selected a color, your highlighted text will automatically change to that color, giving it a brand new look. Changing text color is a handy skill that enhances your document's visual appeal. Consider using different colors to highlight important points or to categorize sections, but remember to keep it readable. Dark colors on light backgrounds or vice versa usually provide the best contrast. So there you have it. Now, you can easily add a splash of color to your text in Microsoft Word 365, personalizing your documents and making them more engaging to read. Thanks for watching and happy writing!